Beef Okra Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most different of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the beef rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes. Today we are going to make beef okra rice. The ingredients are 250 grams of beef cut into pieces and washed in turmeric water. Around 20 to 25 shallots. Twenty to 25 shallots. 25 grams of garlic. 25 grams of ginger. 2 red chilies. 2 green chilies. 1 tomato cut into pieces. Around 50 grams of okra cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the put in the garlic, the shallots, put in the ginger, salt, the ginger. The rest of the mixture. on saute. Put in the okra pieces. Salt. Salt okra pieces. Thoroughly. The rest of the mixture. Keep on saute. Mix. Put in the green chili. Thoroughly mix the green chili, the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing. Something mix. Put in the red chillies. Mix. Now put in the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly sauteing it. Tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the 2.5 spoons of mixture spices. Put in a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. mix, thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the beef pieces. Into the mixture. Thoroughly mix the beef pieces with the rest of the mixture. Keep on sauteing and mixing. Now pour in 300 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 35 to 40 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice, mix, and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 10 to 12 minutes. Now the beef okra rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final beef okra rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the beef recipes and one of the most different of the veal recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef rice recipes and one of the most unique of the beef pilaf recipe. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.